still driving. Haven't reached our destination yet. We're actually going to go have some lunch because your girl is hungry, and I just realized I didn't even have any tea for morning.
Your girl is hungry.
But okay, I'm hungry and Mario's hungry.
Okay. Alright.
Here I know. Really, babes?
I turn back.
Yeah, turn back. You better don't flip it.
Your girl is hungry.
Okay, we are both hungry. So we're gonna go get some food.
I'm turning back. So I'm gonna turn.
Yeah, but don't make me and you fight. You know, when I'm hungry, I am not a very nice person. Oh my goodness! Come, food time. I and I hungry.
Good thing me not hungry.
We are at Barrels. This is what, in Ajax. So this is the place where we generally come to at least get somewhat decent of Jamaican like style food. Go on, babes. So we just got our food. They didn't mess up on the order this time, but the only thing is we had a woman. Oh, come after Mario, you want to go in a line before? Oh Lord.
Me look too soft. Me push over.
Yeah. Oh. Okay. So we're gonna go to the other place that we need to go, and then we're gonna eat, and I'll show you guys what they got. So we finally this time we get the right DNG drink, because Mr. Williams complained last time.
You got the wrong DNG drink.
Huh? No, I said he complained last time.
No, you say you got the right DNG drink. Say you did the right drink.
Okay, it was the right drink. It was pineapple, but it wasn't DNG, and he was cussing that he didn't want Grace. Eh? Yeah, because of you, Grace now gonna sponsor me for nothing.
DNG now gonna sponsor you for nothing either.
Oh Lord.
But yeah, get sponsor you, so you never get sponsored.
Oh Lord. So Mario ended up getting soup, but we'll show you guys the soup that he got. And
I don't even know the soup I get.
Where
we should have looking at it before we leave.
Well, they said check your order before you leave.
Okay, but what that you want?
Oh yeah.
Let me hold me and see what I want.
Oh, wait a minute, you know, see what I want. They didn't have, he wanted ackee and saltfish. They didn't have ackee and saltfish, so you pretty much have to take whatever else they had there.
You shouldn't take nothing.
So, you know, take nothing, no, you go hungry. You think the people don't lose any money? They not lose nothing. They not lose after you. Well, you can go to the place where we're going. You could see if they have. They might have.
I don't want nothing less.
You didn't like your food from last time when you tried it there?
You go buy it with me.
And me go buy it whenever you ordered what you wanted to eat.
No, I didn't.
Hello.
Last time we went and
say it. Say it.
You hear me?
You hear what?
What me just say?
Last time you go and
no, you hold it free and I'm feeling they say it, so me ask you hear what me just say.
I didn't hear what you said. Said what you were saying.
So put it back me tell her.
No, so you can bite me.
No, stop me a dog.
Oh my goodness. Is there much talking you give? Eh?
Yeah, me get it from
me. I me give birth to you?
Yeah, make you like the
Here I know.
Chat me out, me not see what
I chat you out. Oh gosh, babes. No make you look so bad. You act like me sit down and me just talk. Yes. It's your face. Oh Lord. And I also got sweet potato. I've been craving sweet potato and haven't been able to get any.
Sweet potato what?
Hmm?
You're craving sweet potato what?
Sweet potato pudding, guys. Yes, sorry, sweet potato pudding. My bad. Sweet potato. You should have get a piece of the cornmeal too. I don't know why you didn't buy it. You didn't just get two sweet potato. You should have get a piece of the cornmeal for me later. Cause you know so me want to go eat it. You're gonna help me eat it. It's your face. The last time when I got sweet potato and cornmeal, who eat it? You fight me for the last piece.
Because I have mine and you have yours.
Yeah, but you fought me for the last bit of mine. Hello. Tell the people them straight and stop hiding. What do you mean, me lie? How you lie, so? You see the smirk people. You're so disgusting. Oh my God. Eh? You see how you get talking? Always they get trouble. We're almost at our destination and then we're gonna sit and eat. I'm gonna buy one of those cars, give you.
What car?
Yeah, see, you want with those.
I'm gonna stop around by anybody.
Yeah.
I don't stop you.
You see, like how people are saying they want push present, like when women get pregnant and about to have birth, they want to push present. I want a graduation gift.
What do you mean push present?
Push present. Like you get pregnant and you're about to have a baby.
Pregnant yet? Me ask you what you call push present.
So you have to be pregnant to know what push present is?
Because you're not
Google it.
explaining to me. No, I'm not explaining nothing.
So,
I don't want no push present. So
I know you.
present.
I mean, we're
Yeah,
gonna get
but
to push the present stuff to carry your child for 9 months and then go have it.
Oh boy.
So I want a graduation gift. You know what I want when I graduate? Me and you already had a discussion. So
clone car.
you want your face? You ever want a clone car? Where do you want a clone
One
car?
of the mini smart Cooper. One of Cooper them.
There's one of them that's driving by right there.
What the clone car is?
No, I know a clone car. Stop playing with me.
One smart car. One little mini smart car.
No, that's not what I want. You know what I want.
Wait.
So I want. What do you mean? I always get what I want?
Wait.
No, I always get what I want.
Always.
Always.
Yeah, right.
So I want that's you know what I want for my graduation gift, right? Yeah. Are you gonna make it happen? Right? What? Oh my gosh, me feel like me not Jamaica this road. I am not dissing Jamaica.
Jamaica bad.
Really? No, I'm talking about like like when you go up in a drive past certain country road and the road just
go on this Jamaica, man. Every road you go.
Yeah, but you know say you're bright and fierce.
Every road you go on remind you of Jamaica.
Mario, you know say so disgusting.
You know nice road there Jamaica?
Of course it's nice road.
Jamaica.
Yeah. Nice
when you have hole with a fly over them and we don't even care. Highway.
Oh gosh.
Fast you go over them and let you feel it.
If I say go over, so you're not gonna feel it but the car go feel it though.
When you ball out your chain parts.
I want Heineken that then sit on this other
What
drink.
people are doing here so? They don't know yard.
They would ask you the same thing. Are you turning? Go find a spot so we can eat. I'm hungry.
I don't know if we turn. There's no blooming parking.
What do you mean there's no parking?
Where?
No,
Is
this
people
is
park
an
on the
old car.
roadside?
Holy. This all what do you mean people park on the roadside? Stop exaggerating. You see how yes, what people park on the roadside. On the roadside where?
I come like a 10 sound I keep.
But you could have parked over there and you choose to come down here so now.
Over where? I don't like walk around far. I do park right to which part I'm going.
Really, babes? And that's why. Oh, this is getting hot. Oh my goodness. What's this guy staring at me for? You never seen a person with a camera in their hands before.
Well, you know, pass me though.
Oh, you know that. How you know that person's gonna come out?
I see 3 somebody here, so them one somebody must take more.
Maybe people them sitting in the car waiting on people.
See?
Oh,
see?
Okay, then park there.
Jeez. Me know what me I do now. You know if you go and let me know what me I do.
Watch this one back up into the parking spot. That would be the funniest thing. Oh, look at you! You better man, you hit the man Tesla.
Babe, what that little man? Oh, you got me lick him.
Mario.
You know that little boy put on reverse like the back up.
Oh my gosh. Like really?
Remember that I said not known brought up see?
Tesla. And you know so them the car there, they're very nice.
Who comes this man that run us come out so far?
I don't know.
Holy shit, babe, me mash up the phone.
You dropped the phone?
Yeah.
Shit. Really?
You better lucky saying no mash up. I don't know what you tell me say.
Who better lucky, me or you?
No, you make me door.
Me make you open the door. No, you that try fast. You see how you love blame me for stuff?
So,
come.
Still not get park.
Me no know. Maybe he gone.
No, see this so. So someone come in and before him. I want this smart so.
Oh, I need to take this with me, eh? Remind me not to leave this in the car. No, this. You be careful. Yeah, back up. Help yourself.
When I eat, no?
Wait me, you know, on my video when you're eating. Ready,
I
babes?
eat real hard. I go hard when I eat.
I don't want the people to see how you're craving.
Go hard or go home.
Eh? You don't want the people to see how you're craving?
If me eat, what me get?
If you eat, what you get? Okay, alright, let me show you guys what I got. I probably won't eat all my food.
You eat all I eat, but probably.
Hello!
I'm not going like.
We not stop you talking.
For me.
Yeah, of course, I want some of your soup.
Me know but I eat it.
Wait me, you know, but you don't eat it then. Go on go to where I do. Me help you eat it. You're disgusting life, but no matter eat it. I can help you eat it. You see how this one turn bad? In purpose, you not gonna have a soup because you don't want to give me none. You know, say greedy people do them something there.
Why do people not give me no part? No spoon.
Because it's probably in here.
No.
No, this not cock up. Weird.
Wait a minute. Hurry up and give me a spoon.
Hello, can you? Okay, no spoon on you. You know, and you have a spoon? Yeah, you know, so I could joke you with the fork. You really have a spoon and you tell me to hurry up and give a spoon?
Tell me no, you have it so long.
I don't have, babe, can I have some here, soup?
No.
Please?
No.
If you love me, you will give me some.
If me don't give me not give none.
What do you mean if you love me and I'll give me, babes, if you love me, you give me some. Okay.
Me love me not give none.
What do you mean that you love me and I'll give me none? So that's I got some fried chicken, rice and peas and coleslaw. So I true you love me and I'll give me none? How much you pay for one food? Okay, so this food cost. Wait, I have a receipt there. When I have a receipt.
I don't like your soup already.
Wait a minute, I like your soup already. Let me see soup. I'll tell you guys how much this cost. Oh. Okay.
I don't know.
So for a large fried chicken, it was $11. $11.37. And for the large red peas beef soup was $8.03.
What's this?
Leave it.
Leave what?
Cha. Look at this one. I'm just a picture of the people them food, so.
I can't eat them as me and the soup, man.
Really, babes?
Nobody's gonna give me. Yeah, but look, yeah, well, I get all right now. They mess up me, I can't unite when me eat.
Why?
Because I don't like see them. Could they? I don't know which part that.
Yeah. You see how picky it is? Is that dumpling?
You gotta get the best part already. Come.
I have, you just burnt me.
Yeah?
Of course it had.
I know.
How much time you go mix the soup?
Because me not look for something that me no want.
Yeah? How much time you go sit down here and turn the soup? Hurry up. Hurry up. I have to re-cook his soup. It's going to treat me bad. You know, look for the things that he doesn't want in the soup.
No, but I don't like saying something we
stuff.
can't eat. Me just don't want if we eat. I don't like say you can't eat. But I think it also. You know? Something like that.
I was like, yeah, bless your food. It tastes good. Can you open this? Oh, okay. I got it open.
Everything you want me to do.
So what me there with you for? Eh?
No,
You think me there with you for your pretty looks? Eh? That's what you always say to me. Eh? You don't always say that to me? If you're there with me for my pretty looks.
Really?
Eat and be merry.
I can't drink this, man.
You see man over there so sit down in a car they watch me.
You taste something about though?
Babe, it's fine. You can't eat the pudding now, babes. I can't eat the pudding. So, and then that's the pudding there. Then get extra far from me taste it. And I forgot to do the taste test. I don't know if I can wait.
This one has colic.
This one have colic what?
Everything you have taste.
You know what taste? Hello. Food is meant to taste. You know me love it when it's warm. Like when it heats up. So good. Alright, so we're heading out. It started snowing outside. Oh!
Not me already. You know, but I got me.
Well, we're gonna go and see.
In my mind.
Come on, babe, let's go.
No!
You gotta go do what you gotta do. Mask up. This is the new. Well, we're in the flea market. Where is the place? Down here, sir? The guy you're going to? Right here. So we'll go deal with this guy. Look at these little things here. Okay. Oh. Yeah, playing music. So we're just in here looking at some phone cases. Trying to switch up the phone, get different new phone cases. That's what we're doing. Smaller ones.
We don't have the bigger ones?
Big ones, that. Yeah, that's the only one I have.
This is not refill.
Is that refill?
No.
No. So, everything we need. So, I just got back. Like, it's literally snowing, but it's not staying. It's snowing out now, but it's not staying. We are finished. Oh, shoot. And just finished hand sanitize. But, we are heading... Well, we're heading back now. I have one more stop that we have to make, and that, I think that is it. That is it for the outing. Take down. Ooh. Yes, I'm gonna eat piece of my pudding. Hello, me want taste the pudding. Sweet up my mouth. Hello, me want sweet up my mouth. So me can't sweet up my mouth. Huh?
No.
So are you alone for sweet up for your mouth? You see your face? Oh, this man here run in front of the car. Kind of like a run in, run out. Oh, I need to go find the thing for my hair. Welcome. Oh, my eyelash. One of my eyelashes is in my eye. Yeah, it's starting to snow out now, and it's getting wet. So we're just gonna go make one more stop, and then we're gonna go home and call it a day. I don't think we're doing much. Gotta go home. It's Christmas movie time. It's Christmas. What do you mean, who are you? Me and you. We got popcorn, and we just go watch a movie. So, and yeah, so that's what we're gonna go home to do. So let's go. Let's go. Like, what do you call it? Rush, what's her name? Michelle. She's like, let's go. Rush Lynn, that's it. Is snowing like crazy. Where it says storm. And guys, it's not even that late, but it looks really late. Yeah, so it's not even that late, but it almost looked like, what, 5 o'clock, babes? And it's only, what, 3:30. Holy, you see the guy jam his brakes?
Okay.
Behind you. You didn't hear him now, honk? This is definitely not the weather to be outside in. That's for sure. You see the place? Look at the sky. It's not that weather where you kind of want it. This is the type of weather you want to be wrapped up in your bed type of weather. Where is Mr. Williams? So we are at the mall, and as you see, it is snowing out here. What? You lost the money? See, look, this is this one nice, and it's in white too. You can't afford to lose any. Let me go across. Okay, thank you. What do you mean you happy? You're not big? Are you on the street? Eh? You running the street? Alright, so you come to the mall and they ask you if you have any. Oh. Do you have any of the following? Okay. Let's go. Hello, good.
Oh, I don't know. You guys look like trouble.
Oh, we look like trouble.
How you guys doing today?
We're good.
Any symptoms?
No.
Contact with anyone that has COVID that you know of?
No.
No traveling, right?
No.
All right. You guys have a good one?
Thank you.
Stay smiling, stay happy, eh?
You too. Happy holidays. Really? Why you don't want to touch the handles of it? Anything. So me will not grab the handle and go sanitize. Why has a long tail? Oh, rotted in you're busy. In the mall is busy. Oh look, usually they would have the Santa Claus stuff set up right here, but they don't have it this year. Oh. They don't have it set up this year. Come on, Scottums.
You haven't read it. It was removed from scripture book.
Over here, so we're supposed to do. Oh, look at it. Oh, they have a doggy store. Look, babe. Cassie would have loved that. Look at the outfit. Eh? Cassie would have loved it. Do you have pretzel place or everything? What do you say? It's been, oh my gosh. So, I need to go to Sephora because your girl ran out of makeup. But there is a blooming lineup. See, that has a 50% off. I want to be able to go look for the shoes. Not doing too much. What do you mean, really? Yeah, I like it. It looks nice. Man, I don't even know what the hell's going on with my hair right now, but something is going on with it. But we just reached home, and yeah, that's about it. So I hope you guys enjoyed our little drive out today. I got all the stuff that I need, and since my birthday is next month, I got a little birthday gift from Sephora, because you know when you have your birthday coming up. So I just ended up getting myself some NARS foundation and my Fenty Beauty and some other knickknacks in here. And yeah, and I also got some birthday gifts as well from Sephora as well, because my birthday's coming up, so they gave me my birthday gift early. So yeah, like I said, we just got home. My hair is, I don't even know what the hell's going on with my hair right now. It is going cray. And look, this is the water from in the car earlier. Still has ice in it. So I'm thirsty. I'm about to go drink that. I have a video that I have to go get done for my other channel, so I'm gonna sit down and go and do that video right now. Like I said, I got stuff to do, so I'm just gonna go do that and yeah, finish getting some stuff organized. But we're home safe, and yeah, and I'm gonna go warm up my pudding, my sweet potato pudding. Pretty much it. Everyone's home. We're just gonna go, well, I gotta go do a video, so I'm gonna go set up. I gotta go do that video for the company, and yeah, and that's pretty much all that we are doing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and don't forget to tell a friend to come and join the William fam, where it's always a vibes over here. I hope you guys enjoyed our outing today, and I will catch you all in the next one. Stay blessed, guys.
They are not our fears we see. No one will left. We can't sink on the Titanic. Fight for you, you fight for me. Die for you. Remember when them tell us that me gonna be the wife for you. That in the past and we pass it just like an interlude. How them meet, how them greet is like real life an interview. That in the days and now it's every day.